Hey guys, what's going on? One of my favorite everyday cleaners, Mr. Clean with Gain. So I love this. It's good for so many things. I just use it to clean cat pee off my floor. It's good on tile, wood floor. I think that's like ceramic right there. It's Moonlight Breeze. That's the scent. So it's not too overpowering, but it smells clean. Like you could walk in the house and be like, oh wow, my house smells really clean right now, which is great. It's a 1.5 pint container or 24 ounces. Here's what it looks like. It's a multi-surface cleaner. So it has powerful cleaning, cuts grease, great scent, and safe on finished wood. So my floors are finished wood. I use it on those, and then I use it on my countertop, which is like a marble. Directions for use: floors dilute cleaning. Mix quarter cup per 1 gallon of water. Definitely mix that together. Usually no need to rinse. Tough jobs, pour directly on tough soil or on the sponge. Wipe and rinse. Finished wood, use diluted only, not recommended for carpets, copper, or aluminum surfaces. A rinse is required for surfaces in direct contact with food, not for use on food contact surfaces, including dishes, glassware, cookware, and utensils. So I actually have been using this a ton and I don't have too much left. So just make sure you're like diluting it, and it should last you quite a while. You could use it like on the bathroom tile and stuff like that too. And I'm constantly using this on my floor. And then when I want a nice shine, I just finish it off with some wood polish.